welcome back to my channel. So I hope all of you are doing fine. So as you know, this is the last video of this playlist and it is going to be a very important video. So make sure that you watch the video till the last, because as they say, I saved the best for the last. So if you have been following this playlist very closely, you know that I've shown you the best and the cheapest products for YouTube beginners, and I've also compared them to the more expensive or the more standard products available in the market, and I've also given you the best option for you. But in this video, I'm going to tell you the most important gadget that you need to shoot your YouTube videos. Believe me, it is not your camera or your mic or nothing else, but it is this thing. Yes guys, lighting. Lighting is a very important thing for your YouTube videos, because no matter how much expensive camera you use, whether you use a Sony a7 III, you use a 6D Mark II, you use whatever camera, your videos will never turn up good if you don't work on your lighting. So this is the video light which I will talk about in this video. And just to show you how the video looks without good lighting, take a look at this. See? My face is not visible at all, even I can't even see my own face. So you know how much important this look is, right? Now understand one thing, that there are many different kinds of lighting options, starting from this LED video light, ring light, soft boxes, strobe lights, and it can get much expensive from there. There's no end to how much you can spend on lighting equipment. But like the target of all of my videos, I'm going to provide you the best and the cheapest option for the lighting equipment, so that you can get a satisfactory or a decent level of lighting like you're seeing right now. So guys, before moving ahead in the video, you know that there are a few things that you need to do down here, somewhere here, you know right what you have to do. So guys, please do that, you know it really helps me out. So once I've done that, we'll definitely go ahead with the video. Alright guys, so this is the LED video light which I got. It's from Simpex, as you can see, and Simpex provides quite good quality lights at a cheap price. So I'll suggest that if you want a good quality light at a cheap price, Simpex is the best choice for you. You can get the best quality and the best features for a very comfortable price. If you want something slightly more expensive, you can move on to Digitech. And this is the light I have got. It's dual color. It doesn't have barn door. I also don't need barn door. And this is the product, as you can see. Showing this around. And let's open this. Let's see what we have. First of all, we have the light right here, and we have its holder. I'll show you how to use this later. Let's keep this aside. This is the light. Let's see what else we have. We have a charging cable. We have a charger. And we have a battery. So as you can see, this is all that we get inside this box: a charger, a cable, a holder, and a battery. Now I'll mount the battery on this one. Let me show you how. You take the battery like this and you just push this in. If you need to take this out, just press this switch like this. I'm showing it again. And so guys, we have fitted this battery into the light, and let's turn it on. Alright guys, this is the light, as you can see. We have two temperature adjustments, one for orange light, yellow light, and one for white light. Let me show you. This is the one for white light. Let me turn off the orange light first. All lights are off, as you can see right now. And I'm turning this on, the white light, gradually. This is how bright it's getting, as you can see. it's becoming difficult for me to film as well with such a bright light right into my eyes. This is the maximum brightness for the white light. Let's turn this off. Let's see how bright the orange light is. Alright guys, this is also very bright. It's really becoming difficult for me to shoot. And as you can see, everything else has turned black. The camera is just picking up the light from here. And I'd suggest you to use a combination of white and orange so that you get that perfect daylight-like light on your face. Alright guys, let me turn this off. So that was it, and let me turn it off. Pulling out the battery. You can charge it from here like this, and this end of the charger goes in here, and this to your wall socket. And now let me show you how to mount your light. So you have this mounting adapter right here, and you screw this in. Simple screwing mechanism. This is to loosen and rotate the light. And this is to bend the light in any angle you wish. And you also get a cold shoe mount right here. This is a cold shoe mount. You can put it on the top of your camera. If you have a base stand, I'll show you how to do this with a base stand also. So let me show you now. Alright guys, I've got the base stand here. This doesn't come inside the box. I got this separately. It's very cheap. These base stands come with flashes. You get them with flashes, wireless flashes they are. And I'm going to show you how to mount this. You just slide this in and you just screw this in like this. If you do this, you can have a bright light pointed at your face and you can carry on with your video nicely. So guys, in the first picture you can see that I have got a double cold shoe mount for my camera. And in the next picture you can see how I have mounted my video light and also my microphone using the double cold shoe mount onto my camera. So this is how my setup looks right now. So guys, in the comparison part here on the screen you can see an Aperture LED video light. As you can clearly see, it costs more than double the amount of this light. So Aperture lights are mainly used by more professional YouTubers, but this Simpex video light is a cheaper alternative to that Aperture light, and you can easily go for this one. So guys, I hope I could help you out with this little video. I was able to provide some value to you. So guys, keep supporting, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.